Hi friends, how are we? We are going to be making paper plate turtles. How excited. Let's jump in.
Start with materials. You should have a paper plate. You should have some outlines. So these are the front flippers and these are the back ones. So the big ones in the front, little ones in the back. We have a head and a tail. You should also have two googly eyes and then a bunch of cut up tissue paper in quite a couple different colors. You're also going to want a paintbrush. I'm going to use a paint sponge. Doesn't really matter. You're going to want scissors. You're going to want Elmer's glue and stick glue. And I find that this is helpful having both. So let's jump in. What you're going to want to do first, what I like to start with the plate, is you're going to kind of want to put glue all over. So actually, I find it a little easier to take off the top. Get a parent's help or guardian's help to do that. But I like to just kind of pour some and then take my paintbrush and spread it all over. So you want to kind of get a nice layer of glue on the paper plate because we're going to be attaching our tissue paper to it. And you need glue to do it. So see how I'm getting it all around. You're going to want to get even the edge. Make sure you put down maybe newspaper or something because this can get a little messy. So once you've done that, you're going to start gluing. That's really it. You're going to start taking your tissue paper and pressing it on. The goal is to cover, so I like to overlap as I'm putting them on. And then I'll show you what you're supposed to do for the edge. So you're going to want the whole rim covered as well. So I like to take glue. Well, I like to take my piece of tissue paper, and then you're going to end up folding it around. I wait to glue it. I just like to kind of press like that, and you just kind of keep going. Just keep pressing your tissue paper, and I'll be back with it finished. Once I have the entire paper plate covered, I like to take some more glue, and I like to put some on my brush. You could also put the glue in a little dish, but I like to then take my paintbrush and kind of just put glue on parts that are sticking up, just to kind of help push it down, because as you're overlapping, there's no more glue. So you're going to want to, when you're doing that, so see how the paper is facing this way, kind of want to go with it, not against it. And the tiniest amount of glue. You don't need a lot. This is just kind of to help push everything down. I'm just going to go and kind of do that for the whole plate. At this point, I like to take some of my stick glue and just kind of put a little bit around the edge. This is for any of your longer pieces of tissue paper. I'm just going to fold it over, press it in. Next, we're just gonna cut out our pieces. Let's get to it. Now that all our pieces are cut out, we're gonna make our little turtle face. So I like to put some glue for the googly eyes. Pick, one of the sides of the oval. Doesn't really matter which one. I put my eyes like this. And then I'm going to you can take a marker, you can take a crayon. I'm going to do two little slits for the nose. And I'm going to give my turtle a huge smiley face. You do any kind of face you want, but I like a smiley face. Now we're going to glue it onto our turtle. So you put a little bit of glue on the end. You take our turtle shell, and I like to just kind of find a spot and then just press down. And just kind of keep doing that. So remember, the bigger ones are going to be for our fins. So put glue, find another spot, put mine a little bit at an angle. I'm going to do both my front foot fins first. And then my back ones. And then my tail.
All right, and there you have it. We have our turtle. Also, something you can do when this is still wet, you can actually sprinkle some glitter and you'll have a glittery turtle shell. So, hope you like it. Can't wait to work with you guys next week and have some fun with our summer reading. Make sure you guys are logging in the books or the pages you've read so you can get a chance to win your raffles. See you guys next week. Bye.